From shippers to shoppers, the big box stocks breaking out today as Walmart gears up to report earnings Tuesday before the bell. So, how do you feel about Walmart?
I think next week this is going to be likely a sell the news event. So, I mean, look at what we've had here. We had retail sales come out for December, which was horrible. We probably should have expected it because every single company in the world told you something in mid-December happened where every bit of business stopped happening. So then we had consumer confidence come out this morning, much better. So you started to say, wait a second, maybe there's a rebound. The retailers will probably rebound. The problem you have, though, you've had a rally, and I think the question is going to be, is that as good as it gets? So if you're in them and you get a rally on the earnings, nothing wrong with taking some profit.
I'll tell you what, Home Depot looks to me very interesting on that chart, right? You busted through the 200-day. This is a stock that I think was pushed down on housing concerns, on interest rate worries, and all they continue to do is execute and be best in class in their market share. Walmart, to me, I've said this many times, I think big box has got a lot of pressure in terms of way too much competition. Walmart has to compete on price. Their cost inputs are getting higher and higher on labor, and there's just too much floor space out there. And then there's Amazon. So Walmart, I stay away from all those guys.
Valuation is getting a little rich in Walmart. I mean, if you go back and look, again, here's a stock that made an all-time high around the same time that FedEx did, whether coincidence or not. It's obviously bounced over the last couple of weeks, but you have to ask yourself, in this environment, are you paying almost 22 times next year's number for a name like Walmart, which has the pressures that Tim cited? I don't know if that's the best trade out there.
I mean, in terms of those pressures, what we've heard from so many retailers that are trying to compete against the likes of Walmart is that they have to spend, that their margins are being flattened, right, because of the competition.
And let's not forget the wage pressures, right? I mean, minimum wage is going up. The wage pressures out there. There's potentially some commodity input pressures, inflation going on. So on a low margin business like Walmart, that's a real killer.
And Walmart already lowered guidance, referenced its Flipkart deal. But when you look at a name that hasn't come up is Target. Target's been getting a pass. Target's up over 10% year to date. I think if you have to be here, maybe Target.